Okay guys, today I'm going to cover two stocks again. One you see here, Hilton Metal Forging, and the other is the BHEL. Those two are both stocks from the NSE. So let's start with Hilton. So here we are currently on a monthly time frame, and I am looking only right now at this side of the chart. Right, this is not really relevant for me, and like the only relevant scenario would be here an ABC flat. But then is also the question in what context, because we don't have anything here in price history. So let's only keep a look at this right now. So here, the bullish scenario would be having here a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where we are still looking for one more impulsive move to the upside to take out this high. Simply said, a bearish scenario then would be counting this a finished impulse in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two possibilities, but the question whether the bullish scenario has high probabilities or the bearish scenario will be answered on the low time frames. So let's now go on to the weekly time frame and take a look at this corrective structure or maybe impulsive structure. Let's take a look. So the bullish scenario here is then a WXY. The count is an ABC in W, ABC in X, and looking for an ABC in wave Y. So there are also other ways to count it as a corrective structure in WXY. That was the WXY double combo. For example, counting this in ABC, this in X, and then this somehow in a Y. Like there are many possibilities to count this. This is just one possibility, but the main focus is here that this is a corrective structure. So this gives higher probabilities for the bull scenario where we take out this high. Now the bearish scenario is then here a diagonal to the downside. Now we're looking at an 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this scenario holds low probabilities because this is an expanding diagonal. An expanding diagonal is never preferred, and unless any other scenario fails, we should not take this into our highest probability scenario. And right now this scenario is still intact, so let's look at this. Which means in conclusion, the highest probability scenario on the monthly chart is this one, where we are having here our wave 4, and we are looking at this wave 5. Now this scenario is invalidated once we hit the 618, because then our wave 4 would simply be way too deep. So we are now also at this range of the previous wave 4, which always acts as nice support. So this could be a nice area to bounce off. Now that's it for Hilton. Let's take a look at BHEL. So here, let's keep it on, yes, let's keep it here. So this is such a high time frame that all of this previous stuff here does not really matter that much. I mean, you possibly can count here some sort of a 1, 2, 3 or an ABC like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe, but that doesn't matter at all right now. What only matters is this, this chart, this part of the chart. So as you can see here, this is the bearish scenario where we have this as an A, B, and we're looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in your wave C. So that means in this case, we are looking for one more high and then finish a corrective structure and see lower prices. The bullish scenario then obviously is an impulse where we count this a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, looking for 3, 4, and 5. So the difference is that in this scenario, you are looking for 2 pushes to the upside, and in the bearish scenario, you only look for one more high. So currently, both of the scenarios remain a higher time frame, remain the same probabilities, because we are looking to take out this high on both scenarios, and we hit the 886 from the high to the low, which also reduces probabilities. Say this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are looking to take out that high. In both scenarios, we are going to take out that high, which means right now it doesn't matter in which scenario we are, as we are looking to take out all-time highs. So that's it for BHEL and Hilton. On both cases, we are looking for more upside. Also here we have the 618 as the invalidation. So trade safe, position yourself wisely, and see you next time.